So when you're raising livestock on pasture, what you're really doing is mimicking nature. The chickens are actually digging in the soil, trying to make sure the bugs come out.
They can express their natural behavior. They have access to fresh grass, fresh bedding, the sun. So all those aspects have a direct link with their health and well-being.
And in turn, if you have happy livestock and they're able to get the diet that they need, you're just getting a more nutrient-dense protein out of it.
It's just a great protein for you and it tastes really good. If we want to produce quality food for the future generation, we need to take care of our land.
Livestock plays such a critical role in the regenerative process. It's to, have the hooves work the land, it's to graze the pasture or the field just enough, and to put the manure down.
This is the goal of using animal in the regenerative farming practices so we can grow better food.
As many benefits there is to raising livestock on pasture, if there's still too many barriers for farmers to get in, they're not going to practice it.
And that's where our system comes into place.
Ukko Robotics is an ag tech company focusing on bringing livestock back to pasture using automation and robotics.
Our main product is the RoboBarn, a connected, automated, self-moving barn for pasturing livestock.
Automatic feeding, automatic watering, ventilating, movement, and it sends instant notifications when there's something going on, so you don't necessarily have to be tending to your livestock every couple hours. And so all these little things make it much easier, and it brings that barrier of entry much lower for farmers.
It's a great feeling seeing other operations and farms being successful with our product, because at the end of the day, we have the same goal: producing great product for ourselves or the family or the community, having more flexibility, being more productive, having more profit, and just being more efficient.
It brings me great happiness to see that we're actually making a change or a difference in a lot of these smaller farms' lives. It's the reason why we do what we do.